Hey, what's going on, guys? Nate with Dragon Blogger Tech and Entertainment. Today we're going to be talking about the PHIGOLF 2 home golf simulator. That's exactly what it is. It's the home golf simulator that's going to give you 38,000 real courses. So you can see that this is pretty much everything you're going to need except whatever you're going to be playing on. So right now we are playing on my Apple TV. So this is going to be supported by all iOS and Android devices. So that doesn't just mean your iPhone or your Android phone. It's also going to mean Google TV, Android TV, or your Apple TV, which I'm playing on right here. You can play on your phone, you can play on your tablet. It's really cool. It's widely supported. So the way this works is you're going to get this club right here. Now this end right here, it's kind of the soft touch material. This is going to be weighted and it's going to give you the actual feel of a real club. Now I'm not a golfer, so I wouldn't be able to compare this to like what kind of iron or what kind of wood it is, but it is going to give some actual weight. One of the things I noticed on the PHIGOLF 2 that they improved is when you swing, it's got some type of mechanism in here that gives you kind of like the illusion of hitting an actual golf ball. You can actually hear something. So that's pretty cool. And just kind of line myself up. Obviously, whenever you're doing this, you want to make sure you have nothing around you, because if you do, you're going to hit something. On the PHIGOLF 1, I didn't pay attention and I actually ended up breaking a ceiling light. That's just so cool. The actual grip on this right here feels like a real golf club grip. And then you're also going to get a safety handle right here that attaches to this. So this is the sensor right here. This is an improved sensor. It's going to give you more data. It's very easy to recharge. It just recharges over USB-C. It's improved. It's going to give you more data. You can even plug this one into a real golf club. So whenever you're practicing, you can get that data back and kind of figure out exactly what you're doing wrong or what you're doing good. But the way it works with the PHIGOLF club is you just simply push it in. You see a little notch kind of right there. You're just going to push it in, push it down until you can't, and then you're good to go. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and show you everything you can do inside of here. So this is the main menu. This is what you're going to be presented with as soon as you load it up on pretty much any of your devices. You're going to have local games, so that's all going to be locally hosted. You're going to have online games where you can play with your friends, training, and settings. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and go into training so I can show you how good this sensor is. So just navigate over to training. Swipe up, we're gonna go to practice range. It's gonna load right in. You're gonna see that it loads pretty dang quick. Now, all I did was press the button on here for about 1 second. It will ask you if you want to connect, and then you'll see, just give it a few seconds. It'll say connecting to PHIGOLF sensor. That means that connection has been established and we're good to go. And then you'll see PHIGOLF sensor is successfully connected. It says ready, and now you can swing. It is calculating a bunch of data, so it makes sense. So let's go ahead and take a look at our graph right here. So it's going to show you right here your attack angle. So you're going to see if you have a negative or a positive attack angle. You obviously want it to be negative, otherwise you're just smacking the ground. Right here, it's going to show you your club path. So the actual trajectory that your club is traveling in. Down here, it's going to show you your head speed, your swing tempo, your club path, and it even gives me a thumbs down saying that I did bad, my face angle and my attack angle, and the shot distance. So I did 271 meters. Oh, that already looks like a much better hit. All right, so look, attack angle 2.5, face angles at 0.5. It could have probably been a little bit more up. Swing tempo improved, head speed went down a little bit, but my club path is much better. Shot distance, that's probably about what I do. Listen, maybe not everyone's built to be a pro, but with the PHIGOLF 2, you're definitely gonna be able to improve because you can see real world data on what you're doing good and what you're doing bad. And then if you do your daily tasks, like your little tests, you're gonna get way better at golf because it is going to translate in real life. So listen, this is a ton of fun. The PHIGOLF 2 definitely is leaps and bounds better than their previous version, the PHIGOLF 1. If you guys are looking for something that's going to be great for entertaining friends, if you're a serious golf enthusiast that wants to improve your game, if you're a newbie that wants to understand the fundamentals, or if you just kind of want to have fun, definitely give the PHIGOLF 2 a shot. I'm Nate with Dragon Blogger Tech and Entertainment, and I'll see you on the next video.